In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Play Protect in Google Play Store. Play Protect is Google's built-in security layer for Android devices. It regularly checks the apps you install from the Play Store and even apps from other sources to help detect malware and keep your device safer. In most cases, it's already on by default, but it's smart to verify and turn it on manually if needed, especially if you've just set up a new device or restored from a backup. Start by opening the Google Play Store app on your Android device. At the top right, tap your profile icon. This opens your account menu. From there, select Play Protect. You'll land on a screen that shows the current protection status and the time of the last scan. This page may also highlight any recent activity or issues it has found. Next, tap the Settings gear in the top corner of the Play Protect screen. This is where you control the key security options. Make sure the switch for scan apps with Play Protect is turned on. When this is enabled, your device will automatically check apps for harmful behavior in the background and can warn you, block installs, or even remove harmful apps if necessary. It's a set and forget feature that quietly helps protect your phone without slowing things down. You'll also see an optional setting called Improve Harmful App Detection. Turning this on can enhance Play Protect's ability to identify new or rare threats by allowing it to send unknown apps to Google for a deeper check. If you're comfortable sharing that limited data to strengthen detection for you and the broader Android community, go ahead and enable it. If not, leaving it off won't stop the core protection from working. Once those settings are in place, go back to the main Play Protect screen. You should now see that Play Protect is active. From here on, it will automatically scan apps over time, and you'll be notified if anything looks suspicious. There's nothing else you need to do for ongoing protection. If you'd like to run a check immediately, you can also trigger a manual scan. On the Play Store, tap your profile icon, choose Play Protect, and then tap Scan. This is helpful after installing several new apps, or if your device has been behaving unusually. That's all it takes. By confirming Play Protect is on, and using the optional manual scan when you want extra peace of mind, you're giving your Android device a strong built-in layer of security without adding any extra apps or complexity.